Imagine being CID's ACP Pradyuman, but instead of solving murders, you're solving whether that viral post about rasam curing COVID is true. Namaskar everyone, welcome back to Saksham Seniors. In our last video, we learned how to spot misinformation by identifying red flags. Today, we're taking it a step further by diving into how to fact-check suspicious information. Time to become the Byomkesh Bakshi of the digital world. Let's explore some fact-checking techniques that are easier to use than finding matching socks in your drawer. First, let's talk about the SIFT method. A simple yet effective way to fact-check information. It's called SIFT, S-I-F-T. No, it's not what you do to atta before making rotis. Imagine being CID's ACP Pradyuman, but instead of solving murders, you're solving whether that viral post about rasam curing COVID is true. Let's break down what the acronym SIFT means. S stands for stop. Before you share or react, take a moment to stop. Think of it as pausing before adding extra salt to your dish. I is for investigate the source. Look into the source of the information. Is it credible? It's like checking the label before buying a product. F is for find better coverage. Look for other sources that cover the same topic. Reliable information is like a well-reviewed restaurant. Multiple sources will vouch for it. And T, finally, is for trace, the original content. Trace back to the original source to see the context. It's like following a recipe step by step to ensure that you're making it right. Now that we understand the SIFT method, let's move on to another powerful technique for fact-checking, lateral reading. Unlike traditional reading, where you scroll up and down a single website, lateral reading involves opening new tabs and searching for information about the source and the claims it makes. This method helps you verify the credibility of the information by comparing it with other sources. Here's how you can practice lateral reading. Open multiple tabs. When you come across a suspicious claim, open new tabs to search for more information about the source and the claim. Check other sources. Look for articles or reports from reputable news organizations or fact-checking websites that cover the same topic. Investigate the author. Research the author of the content to determine their expertise and potential biases. Review external opinions. See what other authoritative sources have to say about the website or the information it provides. You will agree that by reading laterally, you can get a broader perspective and better assess the reliability of the information. It's like getting a second and third opinion before making a decision. Next, let's talk about some specific tools and methods you can use to fact-check information effectively. Using fact-checking websites like NewsChecker, the Healthy Indian Project, Boom, and Factly can bust myths faster than you can solve your daily crossword. Another important step is to check primary sources. Going to the original source is like tasting curry straight from the pot, unfiltered and authentic. Use reverse image search for photos. Tools like Google Lens can help you determine if a photo is old or manipulated. It's like discovering if that new sari your friend is wearing is actually from last year's collection. Similarly, examining video details for authenticity is crucial. Checking upload dates and original sources for videos prevents you from being fooled by old footage. For more complex topics, seek expert opinions. Their insights are as dependable as asking a seasoned chef for cooking advice, unlike relying on a neighbor who struggles to boil water. Academic resources are also invaluable for reliable information. Academic databases or reputable journals are the IITs of information. Tough to get into, but highly reliable. When it comes to news about public figures or organizations, verify information from official social media accounts. Don't trust that post claiming that the Prime Minister has declared every day a public holiday. For health-related information, use reliable government sources, like the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare or the WHO. They provide accurate and up-to-date information. Trusting random forwards for medical advice is like asking a plumber for cooking tips, unlikely to end well. Remember, if something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Unbelievable claims are usually just that. Eating 23 soaked almonds a day won't make you win Kaun Banega Crorepati. Finally, always pause before sharing information. Taking a moment before forwarding information is as wise as tasting the food before serving it to guests. Promote media literacy. Encourage your friends and family to be critical of the information they consume. Share tips on how to spot fake news. It's like teaching them to fish rather than just giving them fish. It's empowering and long-lasting. Fact-checking might seem daunting at first, but with practice, it becomes second nature. Learning to fact-check is like mastering the art of making round rotis. Frustrating at first, but soon you'll be an expert. Friends, keep those brain cells active, and I hope to see you next time for more adventures in the land of zeros, ones, and the occasional truths. Stay informed, stay skeptical, and as always, stay Saksham.